Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of semester 6th, paper number 15, Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper, we have completed important 2 units. Then we have seen the third unit. In these third unit, first point which is to be completed, we have seen definitions of fish cooperative societies. Various definitions these are to be seen. Then principles of fish cooperative societies. Overall 13 to 14 principles which is to be we have seen. Those principles on which cooperative society these are to be developed, these are to be formed. Then second point which is to be have seen history of cooperative movement in India. How this history these are to be run down, or in which period this cooperative sector these are to be performing, these are to be working. Then third point which is to be have seen organs of cooperative. Those organs, those part which is to be involved to form the cooperative organization in state level, cooperative organization in village level, cooperative society in district region, as well as on the national level. In these organs of cooperative society, we have seen the first organs, that is the president. Definitions of president: who is the final authority, who is the presiding over the meeting, who is the responsible for all activity which is to be performed by the cooperative society. All these activities these are to be implemented and these are to be run down proper way in proper way by the president. In this part we have seen the role of president. Generally speaking, in different occasions, different times, president is also called as chairman. In number of companies, number of societies, chairman is also called as the president. Chairman are the roles of the president. What is the role of president? Chairman, it is the head of the cooperative society. Chairman is the head of the cooperative society and leads the management committee of cooperative society, housing society, or other different persons. Chairman is also called as president and the position is one and the same. Chairman and president is the one and the same. That is the president. In number of different occasions, number of different companies, housing societies, sometimes president is also called as chairman or chairman is also called as president. That is, position is to be one and the same, function is to be one and the same. As per the rule of the Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act, as per the rule of the Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act 1904, the position of chairman, this position of chairman these are to be cannot be left vacant forever. It can be continuously filled and it can be fulfilled. That's why this Maharashtra Cooperative Society Act, which is to be working and which is to be functional, applying the rules and regulations of the cooperative society. What is the power of this cooperative society? That is, needless to say, the chairman enjoys certain powers. Needless to say, the chairman enjoys the certain powers. Being the head of the society, chairman enjoys the final decision of power. No decision can be taken or finalized without consult of the chairman. Means chairman is the main important authority in the cooperative society. Chairman is one of the signatories for the bank operations to working the different transactions and to working the different working activities. For that purpose, that is, signature of the chairman is essential, and that's why chairman is important for operations of the bank of cooperative society. Chairman is entitled to preside over all the major meetings of the society, like the annual gathering meeting, like the monthly meeting, like the 3-month meeting, or it is for the 6 months meeting, general meeting, audit meetings, then meeting these are to be done by the different purposes, means for special meetings, for annual meetings, for gathering, for that different meetings, chairman is to be entitled as a presiding over the a main authority to work these committees. Chairman is entitled to 2 votes. Chairman is to be entitled 2 votes. 1 vote is to be given as a member of cooperative society, and another vote these are to be given when there is a same decision, or when voting is to be done in cooperative society and both sides same voting these are to be done. At that time, on both sides, both parties same vote these are to be achieved. At that time, chairman these are to be given a final decision vote. Final voting these are to be given, and that final vote is the chairman, and those are the voting these are to be given to which party, that rules and regulation it can be accepted, it can be done due to the one vote of the chairman. And that's why chairman is entitled to 2 vote. 1 vote is as a member of cooperative society, and another vote is the DC vote, or a law making votes, a decision vote, and that decision vote or the final vote is to be given to the chairman in these cooperative societies. Then what is the responsibilities of the chairman, or what is the responsibilities of the president? There is no powers without responsibilities. There is no powers without responsibilities. The two comes hand in hand, and truly said born out of each other, means these responsibilities and powers, these responsibilities and power, these are to be hand in hand. One hand is the power, second hand is the responsibilities, and truly it is to be said that, truly it is to be born that these responsibilities and power, these are to be born to each other. One side we have play role of powers, another side we have performed the responsibilities same way, similar manner. Chairman needs to shoulder an array. Chairman needs to shoulder an array of responsibilities, being the head of the society. Being a head of the society, सोसायटीचा चेअरमन, सोसायटीचा प्रमुख म्हणून सोसायटीचा अध्यक्ष किंवा चेअरमन यांनी आपल्या खांद्यावर सगळी जबाबदारी घेतली पाहिजे. अँड ऑल द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, जितक्या काही जबाबदारी आहेत, जितके काही जबाबदारीचे कामं आहेत, हे सगळे जबाबदारीचे कामं चेअरमननं, अध्यक्षानं आपल्या खांद्यावर घेऊन इट इज टू बी रन फोर्सफुल्ली अँड रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. Chairman or the president is responsible for all the overall supervision of the society. Chairman is responsible for keeping the tap on the smooth and hustle-free functioning of the society. Those are the employees, those are the director board of committees, those are the other members. In these members, chairman is responsible for keeping a tab on the smooth and hassle-free functioning in the cooperative society. In case of any happening, in case of any misbehavior, in case of miscarriage, when these are to be occur, chairman is the one answerable to the entire society and take up every responsibility born out of that society. Those are the problems, those are the difficulties, those are the different conditions, misbehavior, mishappening or miscarriage, these are to be occur. All these are to be faithfully, smoothly, friendly, these are to be solved, and all society, these are to be working as a one member, working as a one unity, and then this cooperative society, these are to be go further, proceed further for successive condition. Chairman need to ensure that all records of the society are maintained and updated properly. Means president or chairman, which is the main responsibility to ensure that, to secure that those are the records, these records, these are to be maintained, and these records, these are to be updated properly and proper way. Those are the auditors, those are the co-members, those are the associate members or the board of directors. Means every activity which is to be occur in cooperative society, this activity, these are to be properly run down, and its document, its proceeding better way. It's when meeting is to be arranged, its proceeding is to be written, and its proceeding is to be updated, and it is to be a proper record. These are to be maintained. It is the duty of chairman or president. Chairman need to ensure that the audit of the accounts of cooperative society is to be done time to time in each year. In each year, those are the cooperative societies, those are the chairmen. These are to be ensured that it is to be performed, that is audit of the cooperative society, and it is the responsibility of the chairman to perform the audit by a proper auditor and proper way each year, every year, and to maintain the record update. Chairman needs to ensure that annual gathering meeting, chairman need to mention, these are to be chairman to need to ensure that annual meeting, its proceeding. Then chairman, these are to be ensure that is budget meeting, their provision of budget, new arrivals, new year meetings, or before mention all these dates. These are to be done, or particularly the meeting of the society is held every year on or before mentioned date of the 14th August. In every year, the meeting of the cooperative society, these are to be run down. Meeting of the cooperative society, these are to be performed before 14th August. Chairman is responsible for holding a monthly meeting in the management committee, as well as chairman is to be take 3-month meeting in the board of directors, as well as chairman is to be take meeting every month, the problem solving meeting. The members of the cooperative society, those are the difficulties, those are the problems, these difficulties, it can be solved by the chairman regularly to attend the meeting and preside over these meetings of the members, meetings of the management committee, meeting of the board of director. That's why chairman, these are to be important. Chairman, these are to be most useful. Or the president, these are to be important. Chairman or the president has to arrange for welfare and social get-together activities time to time in the cooperative society. In the cooperative society, there is a democratic way. There is a unity in members. There is a democratic way, and these are to be arranged a welfare meeting, or it can be arranged a social gathering together, all members time to time, and all members, these are to be collectively come together, and they can discuss the different problems, different issues, and they can uplift their communities there, that is peoples. It can be important to smoothly going activities, and it can be friendly performing, as well as those are the employees, these are to be working in this cooperative society. They can behave, they can benefit, as well as they can a good chance to increase the activity of cooperative society. President needs to take up any other responsibility other than his lying with the management committee in time or emergency. Any emergency condition, any emergency, these are to be occur. Any emergency situation, these are to be found. At that time, chairman or president, they can gather the meeting, they can call the meeting, and in this meeting, all issues, those are the emergency conditions, those are the natural calamities condition, these are to be discussed, and they can solve the problems. While chairman is largely responsible for the welfare of a cooperative housing societies, however, holistic goodness and a friendly comes when each and everyone, that is holistic goodness and friendly, when each and everyone perform their basic responsibilities and important roles toward the cooperative society. It is important, it is to be most useful for the working of the cooperative society. And all these are the responsibilities of these chairman or responsibilities of the president of a cooperative society. Then duties of the president. Which are the duties? These are to be performed. Duties of the president, these are to be in following ways, following manner. President creates, communicates, and implements the organization, vision, mission, and overall direction. Means president, these are to be creates, president, these are to be communicates to the members, president, these are to be create the different implementation points, and all these creates, communicates, and implementation activities, it can be done by vision, mission and goals of a cooperative society, and these are to be very well in direction, in good direction. All these activities, these are to be done by president. Then hires, fires and manages of all employees of the cooperative society. Hires friendly, fires sometimes, some occasions there is firing, there is a, that is angry condition, these are to be occur. Some people they do not understand friendly, at that time they can give punishment, means that is hires and fires. Such condition, these are to be done on employees as well as on members, means not only friendly but occasions, but sometimes there is a angry condition, there is fire condition, these are to be occur. These are also done by members, these are also done by chairman or the president, and it can be maintained the cooperative society in proper way, in proper condition. These president, chairman, these are to be act as a leader, it is act as a guidance or guides, directs and evaluates all the officers, evaluate all the managers and all the employees, and those managers, those employees, those officers which is to be not properly working, ensure that they are carrying out daily operations in proper way and proper manner. They perform their activities and it can be smoothly going on the cooperative society. It can be smoothly running the cooperative society. It is helpful to progress the cooperative society. And suppose the president or chairman not leads, not guides, not direct, not evaluates all these employees, their cooperative members, their managers, their officers, then in this cooperative society there is a tremendous nursing, these are to be occur, and due to this cooperative society these are to be lost, and future these cooperative society these are to be completely destroyed. To avoid this destruction, that is president, these are to be important, president, these are to be responsible. Meets regularly with other officers. The president, these are to be meet regularly with other officers or managers of the cooperative society to make sure that the decisions and organization need to make are present and strategies. That is, those are the different strategies, these are to be done. Those are the rules and regulations which is to be performed by laws of Maharashtra State Cooperative Act, or those are the State Cooperative Act. These meetings, these are to be regularly done to other officers, regularly meeting, these are to be done by managers. It is to be done by the decisions of the organization and make it is to be present, and strategies these are to be follows, and president these are to be perform these activities. Confirm that all officers and managers are conveying the cooperative society's philosophies, guidelines to their own team, so that all employees understand and expectations of the cooperative society these are to be done. Means those are the philosophy, those are the guidelines, and those are the cooperative society act. To these cooperative society act, the members of these cooperative society or the employees of the cooperative society, they can understand and they can their expectation toward the company, toward the cooperative society. That's why president these are to be important, president these are to be most useful. Oversees all the financial aspect of the company or cooperative society and maintain awareness of both external and internal opportunities for expansion, for customers, for market, for producers, for new industry development, as well as for the good standards. Means oversees all the financial aspect, oversees all the activities of the cooperative society, and to maintain awareness of external and internal opportunities of the cooperative society, for expansion of cooperative society, for ideas of the customers, for problems of the cooperative producers, then market strategies, market conditions, new industry development, then standards of the product. All these situations, all these conditions, these are to be proper way, proper manner, these are to be run down by these president, and that's why the president these are to be important. President is the key role to to play a cooperative society, and hence president is the ideal, brilliant, dashing, and it can be to collectively collaborate all members, all employees, all management committee members by smoothly and friendly. Then and then cooperative society, these are to be functioning properly, working properly, and it is to be in a beneficial condition, in a benefit condition. Otherwise it is to be occur loss. And when society is to be benefited, no doubt definitely positive result these are to be given. Members are to be hard working, employees are to be hard working, and some dividend these are to be for the intensives or dividend. For intensives or some the amount these employees, workers, and their members can be working proper way and proper manner. That's why president is the most important part of organization or the cooperative society. Here we have completed the first part, that is the president of the cooperative society. Hope you have understood. Any problem, any difficulty, please ask. Thank you, all of you.